Hey everybody, it's Jonathan with North Georgia Airless. I wanted to take a minute today to show you a machine that we build in-house here. This is one of our High-Flow Systems hot water machines. This is a 12-gallon a minute hot water. Runs right at 3,000 PSI. Uses the Pulsar soft start unloader. So we're able to get that spec out of it. Everything else will shoot you a little bit short. But all stainless steel frame, stainless steel power pack. One unique thing about our hot waters is the fact that the power unit itself, meaning the motor and pump, are completely interchangeable. You can unbolt, rebolt another one if you get to the point where you swap that out for any reason. This particular machine has the IGX 800, which is the machine we use primarily on our 12-gallon minutes. We also, as we've shown on several other machines, because this is an IGX, we have a Raycor fuel filter on the burner and on the motor of this machine. We found that the Raycor fuel filter greatly decreases the number of fuel-related problems with the IGX 800. So we basically run that on all of our installed IGX 800 machines. We offer this machine a couple different ways. This particular one has a Wayne burner on it in order to be able to really use some good heat out of this and get a decent heat rise. Have to run quite a big burner because 12 gallons a minute is a lot of water to heat. We're going to go ahead and crank this thing up in just a second. We're going to let you see it run out. We're going to run it with hot water, and you can should be able to see out here today, a fair amount of smoke and steam coming off this sucker to show that it actually is a hot water that gets hot. So we just ran this thing through a quick heat up, cool down process, but it is a 85, 90 degree heat rise on these things typically. And 12 gallon a minute, not bad. IGX 800, general pump, PSF 2421. Again, everything is stainless except for the aluminum belt shroud and the fuel fittings here and there. Have a super simplified control system, super easy to run. Try to make these things as easy to deal with as possible. If you have any questions, give us a call.